Okay, I'm gonna show one of the new tools, not new tools, but the updated tools for Anim Match. For those that work in the same studio as me, you always know that I've been talking about this rig match where I maintain the rigs for you guys to 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 match to, but now you have the ability to create your own preset without my help. Yeah. So I'm just quickly gonna talk you through about what is this Anim Match. So basically what you can do is if you look at here, yeah. So basically you can match animation like frame 0 to frame 66. Object match. Yeah, basically, yeah. So you notice some weirdness. The reason is I have a smart match check. So if you look at my torus in Y, so I have a curve like that. And if you look at the cube, yeah. So when you insert key, basically it insert the way that you set the default as. I think for my default it's just flat. Um, yeah. So in order to overcome this, what you need to do is select this, and then you do not the smart match, meaning to say it match every frame. Yeah, also you can do quick match, like select this and select this and then press Q, go with this frame, and then when you go to here you match again. You know, that is object match. It can be any two selection that you have. Okay, but we are mainly talking about mocap rig matching. So just quickly gonna show you how it works. So I have two mocap. One guy is running and then the second guy is jumping. So normally I will just use this to stitch. So maybe from here I'll start stitching start frame and then end frame 66, which is okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna match this character to this character here. So what's gonna happen is I can do it on the base layer, but what I normally like to do is I'll create an anim layer. So go to here, create control layers. You will put all the controllers that I have set in the preset into a layer. So I'll just select this master and slave. I'll do every frame and rig match. Yeah, so basically it goes through every frame and then snap the two characters together. So you can see it's exactly the same from frame 33, and then this is the before. So okay, let me hide the other character. So what you're gonna need is, because you're snapping it in anim layer, so what you can do is go to any of the frame and then hit this. It will zero out everything before that. Yeah, so you can do like that, or you can just go, okay, for, yeah, to make it quick, I'll just delete every controller. Yeah, yeah, this is the simple way. So for myself, I like to go through every controller and decide when I want to start blending. Yeah, for example, this feed here, I normally like to um keep it longer, like delay the try to snap back. Yeah, so it jumps. I'll just push this back. Yeah, delete a few frames. So something like that. Yeah. So this is just a rough idea. Okay, so how do you do this? um okay, so how do I do this is I define the preset here. So you can see you can do selection. Basically you just select, okay, these two control, and then the next character you select one control, it will copy this, it will copy that next character to this character based on these two controllers. But we are gonna do preset is just go to setup. So what I have done is I created a preset like for this character. I name it Spidey. So what you can do once you select this, you click load. So these are the controllers that I have saved to be used. So I'm only snapping all these controllers to each other, to the other rig. You can add more. You can also do like this one. I'm only doing FK arm and then IK leg, so you can do both FK IK. If your animation, one animation have FK, one animation have IK, you can just do both, and then you just animate the FK IK switch. So what this does is you load this preset that is saved in one of the file in your system. What you can do is click on the character and then load the namespace. So this is Spider 2. Click verify just to make sure, okay, these controllers are available in this character. So if I select this and then I click on Spine IK2, and if I verify again, it will tell you, okay, this is wrong. This is not in this current rig. Yeah. This is just for you to identify your preset. So it has nothing to do with the matching. So if the matching, it doesn't find anything, it will just say, okay, it cannot match. Okay, so you can just remove this. So yeah, that's about it. So I'll quickly explain how you can create preset. So you can go to a blank preset, just load first and then create new. So new, what it will do is it will use this namespace. So say okay, my preset, my preset. So click new. So now you see a new preset that has nothing. If you hit load, there's nothing. So what you can do is, okay, for this preset, I only want to match. Let me see. Okay, I want to match the COG, and then maybe okay, I'll do the upper body. Oh, the hip, spine 1, spine 2, spine 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for this you have to decide, because the snapping will happen based on this order. Okay, I'll explain later on. This one I'll put spine IQ1, and then maybe the neck. I'll just do the neck first. Okay. Okay, so once you have these, you can verify. It doesn't work because your namespace is wrong. Click on this and then verify. Okay, this is all the correct controllers. Remember to hit save. You ask you whether you want to override to this preset. Yes. Okay, so if I go to other preset, load, and then go back to this preset, load. Yeah, you can also delete this preset once you're done. So let me quickly show you for that one. Okay. Is this the animation? Okay, I'm gonna snap more starting from this frame. This frame to say this frame. I just want the upper body. Okay, so remember, select master, slaves. I'll copy from master to slave. Okay, from frame 28 to 37, or you can also do from 28 to 37 like that. And then just use preset. Preset is everything that is in here, so it will be smart enough to detect. So click. Okay, in this case, because you have two preset that has the same controller, Spidey, the one that I created with the full body, so this is one. So it will say, okay, there's multiple preset found that matches to this character. Which one do you want to use? So I just want to do the upper body, which is this, and then I'll click OK. It will start snapping. So as you can see, okay, yeah, let me go back to select object and then just reset this first. Yeah, so as you can see, everything works on this frame. The torso and everything snap to the character, but because the arm I didn't snap, so it's just doing its own thing from the previous animation. See, the body, everything is correct. Yeah, this is basically it. So if I don't need this preset, I just hit delete and then it will be no longer in the preset. Yeah, I think that's about it. So let me know if you have any question. Thank you.